Hey guys, Rusty here at WHP, day one of the restoration, and we pretty much disassembled the whole thing. Took all day, and some WD-40. So on the build, what we're going to do is I'm going to send this chassis piece out to get powder coated. Hopefully a lot of the scaling and stuff, once it's sandblasted and the powder coat's done, it'll clear it up. But I'm going to try to see if I can find some info on and parts on rebuilding this transmission or transaxle. Had a lot of slopping up here on the shifter, which the thing worked really good, but we want to make sure that it's 100%. I'm going to order some new tires for it, and I'm just going to start from the base and build up from it. We're going to rebuild this Kohler 8 horsepower motor. Couple of things I noticed: I'm gonna have to get new parts, like a steering shaft if I can find it. One thing I did do is I did take a lot of pictures because I'm afraid I'm not going to be able to find accurate diagrams on where everything goes spring wise and stuff like that, but I will keep you guys updated part by part as we get it in. Some stuff I'm going to send out, like the starter. We have a company down the road that rebuilds starters, alternators, so hopefully they can take care of that one for me. And then yeah, we're gonna try to powder coat most of this stuff, and yeah. But check back in with us. We got other work we got going on. Yeah, stuff's here, but the coronavirus has slowed us down, so gonna do a little bit of projects when I'm not working on other stuff. So check us out later, and we'll keep posting them as we can. And guys, as always, keep wrenching.